This is Rushali and you are watching Rushraj Classes YouTube channel. We have already started one mathematics chapter of standard 10, that is quadratic equations. In my previous videos, I have explained what is the meaning of quadratic equation, how to check whether the given equation is quadratic equation or no. Then later, what are the different methods to solve this quadratic equation? So the different methods are factorization method, formula method, and completing the square method. So first we started with the formula method. Why? Because in that formula we have one part, that is b square minus 4ac, which is called as discriminant. This b square minus 4ac plays very important role. Why? Because this value decides the nature of roots of the quadratic equation. So all these things are discussed in my previous video. You check the link of those videos given in the description box. So now in this video, we are going to see how actually we are going to solve the given quadratic equation by using formula. Means the formula method of solving the quadratic equation. This video is going to be a short and simple video, but still the important one. So please watch all the examples properly, because I am going to solve only 3 examples and all these 3 examples are different. How they are different, that you will come to know when you watch all the 3 examples properly. So now let's start with the first example of solving the quadratic equation by formula method. First example, 2x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. As it is formula method, first we will have to note down the values of a, b and c. So let's compare this quadratic equation with the general form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So in this case, value of a is 2, b is 1 and c is minus 6. Now what is our formula to find the value of the variable? Here x is given by minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Fine. Let's substitute these values. X is equal to minus 1, as value of b is 1. X is 1 plus or minus square root of b square 1 square minus 4a, a is 2 and c is minus 6 upon 2 into 2. Okay, values are substituted. Now we have to simplify to get the answer. Is equal to minus 1 plus or minus 1 square is 1, 4 2s are 8, 8 6s are 48, minus into minus is plus. So here we get plus 48 upon 2 2s are 4. Fine. Now here the next step is equal to minus 1 plus or minus 1 plus 48 is 49 upon 4. 49 is perfect square. It's square of 7. So square root of 49 is 7. So minus 1 plus or minus 7 upon 4. Now we have to find the x. How? Here one value is minus 1 plus 7 upon 4 and the second root is minus 1 minus 7 upon 4. Minus 1 plus 7 is plus 6 upon 4. 2 3s are 2 2s are. So one value of x is 3 upon 2. Let's see what we get here. Minus 1 minus 7. It's minus 8 upon 4. 4 1s are 4 2s are. The second value is minus 2. So the roots of this quadratic equation are 3 upon 2 and minus 2. So this is how we get the answer. This is how we find the roots of the given quadratic equation by using this formula. As I said, watch all the 3 examples properly. because all these three examples are different. So this was our first example, which was quite easy. Let's move to example number 2. Let's see second example. Example number 2. 4m square minus 12m plus 9 is equal to 0. Now here, while explaining these examples, I am writing all the quadratic equation in the standard form, general form. If it is not in the standard form, to get the values of a, b and c, always you have to write the equation in general form. So if you find any terms on RHS side, bring all those terms on LHS and make our RHS 0. So this will give you the general form of quadratic equation, and later you have to note down the values of a, b and c. Okay. Now here let's see what are the values of a, b and c. Let us compare this with our general form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So in this case, value of a is 4, b it's minus 12 and c is 9. Our formula. Now in this case, our variable is m. So instead of x is equal to, we will write m is equal to. So m is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Let's substitute our values of a, b and c. Minus value of b here is minus 12. So minus 12 plus or minus square root of b square minus 12 square minus 4 ac. A is 4 and c is 9 upon 2a, upon 2 into 4. Fine. Minus into minus. Here we get plus 12 plus or minus. Minus 12 square is 144. 4 4s are 16. 16 9s are is 144. So minus 144. 2 4s are 8. Okay. Now in this case, b square minus 4ac, 144 minus 144, it's 0, is equal to plus 12 plus or minus, so this is 0 upon 8. When b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, how are the roots of that equation? We have already discussed nature of roots in our previous video. So when b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, our roots are equal. So here in this case, what is remaining in our hand is 12 upon 8. 12 upon 8 means 4 3s are 4 2s are. This doesn't mean that this quadratic equation, it has only one root. No. When b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, roots are equal. So this means both the roots are equal and the value of that root is 3 upon 2. So here both the roots are 3 upon 2. So here we complete second example where our b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Now let's move to example number 3, the last example of this video. Example number 3. 2x square plus 5x minus 1 is equal to 0. We have to find roots of this equation by formula method. 2x square plus 5x minus 1 is equal to 0. Let's compare this with our general form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Note down the values of a, b and c. A is equal to 2, b is equal to 5 and c is equal to minus 1. Now we have to find the roots by formula method. We have to write the formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Substitute the values. Minus value of b is 5 minus 5 plus or minus root b square, that is 5 square minus 4 into a into c upon 2 into 2. Okay. Minus 5 plus or minus square root 5 square is 25. 4 2s are 8, 8 1s are 8. Minus into minus plus. Plus 8 upon 4. Okay. Is equal to minus 5 plus or minus root 33 upon 4. Now here root 33, it cannot be simplified. So here the roots are real but irrational. So the two values here, the two values of x is, one value is minus 5 plus root 33 upon 4 and the second value is minus 5 minus root 33 upon 4. So here these are the two values of x, means these are the two roots of our quadratic equation. So how were our roots in all the three examples? In first case, our roots were real and rational. In second case, our roots were equal. And in this case, our roots are real and irrational. So you can check our previous video. Check how the value of b square minus 4ac decides the nature of roots, and according to that we get the answer. So hope how to use the formula method to solve the quadratic equation is quite clear to you. So in our next video we will move to one most important method of solving these equations, that is completing the square method. So completing the square method is, we can say, a little bit different method to find the roots of the quadratic equation. So that will be explained in our next video. So to get the update of such important videos, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and do share these videos among your friends. And my dear students, thank you so much for watching this video.